Hello everyone, welcome back to the new class. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the previous year question of sitting arrangement. I have discussed the concept in the previous video. I have given you the tricks, so make sure if you don't watch that video, watch that first part that I should say, and then come into this second part. Ma telada pilaban solve lani lada pisotu yakini equation kibanga solve mata kamu no one can stop you to solve any types of question. Ma takada sobha ka egini ka question ru ngan bu hapo link hapo description download itu question namar ka question jong ka sitting arrangement ka de ka bajrong nganam don power ban tho ki question hangni takada download pa itu question thol pa itu question hashwa ba pin solve yakini ki ayu hashwa ba pin page yakini video ngala banong. So now we are going with the first question. What does it says? What does it says? Hakaju ko por ngani turu ipi ki tricks harkat ki solution. Taken hangi kong kumno in a class 5 girls sitting in straight row facing north. In a class 5 girls sitting in a straight row facing north. A sit to immediate left of C and to immediate right of D. Remember, according to the question, they mention everyone facing north. Kamut barok ki face shaka north. Taken kyong A sit to immediate left of C. A sit to immediate left of C. Ki mention kumta A sit immediate left of C. Kamut new C de second person, new A de first person. The ladgile kum gini question, always remember we should put the second person first. We should put the second person first. So here it says A sit to immediate left of C. A sit to immediate left of C. Remember all of them facing north. All of them facing north. So A sit to immediate left of C. A sit to immediate left of C. Who sit to immediate left of C? Who sit to immediate left of C is A. Who sit to immediate left of C is A. Dem nanta ang gumno hangni A sit to immediate left of C and to immediate right of D. And lada mi ini contain an or and but but convention you know ngaong ipi convention you first person. In this case, what does it say? A sit to immediate left of C and to immediate right of D. Kamut kathau you A and hagju ko por who sit to immediate right of D? Who sit to immediate right of D is A. Who sit to immediate right of D is A. Taken dem tang ya choose kmat kong kumno E sit to immediate right of B. E sit to immediate right of B. E sit to immediate right of B. Ngampala banto hagani ka line namar na collect tata nga bu assign namar ngampatip kani ka BE condition ine ngampatip ikata condition ka left side ne condition ka right side ne B taga daw nga collect data nga tho ang to assign to kong kumno E sit to immediate right of B but ni contain the don ni contain but ka tho you to first person but to immediate left of D. But to immediate left of D. Nila so to mano ba siyang immediate left of D de u E. Kabot ng sa to ka answer ka de kumni kat kum ka condition POE ni am clear hi ta mulumla tam lele kamot ka answer ka de kamot ong kini ki condition baro ki shong kumni kini ki person ki shong kumni kini ki girls 5 girls mo in a class 5 girls sitting kamot ki shong kumni ha kani ka row. Taken lada ki clear pi column ru example mo lada clear pi 5 girls sitting in column all facing north or mudong all facing east. All facing east shimbe yaki hakata komba ki facing shanon. Lada kito all of them facing south ne facing north ne facing katchbo facing ru long ban pensog pi ban solve kain bet baki facing north kanang ba pinso to which is left, which is right. Ngaong ipi hagani ka direction kyong kumno ka all of them facing north kamot ngan face kumni this is my right, this is my left. Lada ki face she is this is my right, this is my left. Lada ki face she south this is my right, this is my left. Kumjuru lagi face shawes, this is my left, this is my right. Kumta. Mudur baik shabab 5 direction mapiru pipai shata. Tekni kadeka ka bangila dep solve tekajing kali kong who is sitting in the middle position of the row. Who is sitting in the middle position of the row? In the middle position of the row. Udayu D. Kansar kadai D is sitting in the middle position of the row. Piniam kasuk. So now we are going to discuss the second question. Question number 2 kong 11 student A B C D E F G H I J K and K are sitting in the first line facing to teachers. 11 students sitting in the first line facing to the teacher means all of them facing north. Pero na pring joki ki face ya ka north. Ta gain ngala thoi condition la pa ni ban sok ngin se ya chmat. Ke ka bong ni ka condition ko ong kum no ni D who is just to left of F. Who is left of F is who is left of F is D. Who is just to left of F is D. Who is just to left of F is D. Ngalong IP the meaning contain who, whom, whose, which kamut ka thau yu tu badan hajan just after. In this case kyong D who is just to left of F is to right of C at second place. Hakaju kapor uni F uday to the right of C at second place. Kong gum no ni pe pulai bahai condition ni. Kong D who is just to left of F uni D who is just to left of F is to hakaju kapor uni D ru is to right of C. Who is right of C is D. Namar kyong who is right of C at second place. Who is right of C at second place. But can you direction condition on? Uni de C, uni de first place, the second place de way de D. Tagadaw kyong gumno is to right of C at second place. Udi hakaju kapor ushong, udi hakaju kapor ushong at second place to the right of D. Takin niya choose khamat ong gumno ni puwit ni. Tu khamat ong gumno ni condition ko ong gumno ni A is second to the right of E. A is second to the right of what? E. A is second to the right of E. A uday second to the right of E. This is first person. Ngimpatip manoban syong tak daw ngito da syang ti. A is second to the right of E. To the right of E. Who is at one end? Who is at one end? Kamut new E uday at one end. Kamut usyong hadu tagadaw ide banto E who is at one end. Ue syong to E di first person ngimtip badai mano namar kani ka condition ka bangi tho ang ni da aya chikman bangin so thu man tang impatip mano ba syong da dem na ta ngi pe condition ko kum nang ni la da pim so thu riwai ayu biang ke ko video na dien kanang ba pin so thu ko kum nang ni dem na ta ko kum no shine am te we sha dem na ta kum nang ni J is the nearest neighbor of A and B. J is the nearest neighbor of A and B. Kamut uni uje ushong hapadeng jong A bad u B. Takin la do E de hang ni la do E de hang ni ni so thu shai u J de hang ni u B han de hang ni de niam kalong ta A J B is nearest uje ushong hajan ubi badu e kong kumta te hani ga yumo J is nearest A and B and is to the left of G and third place hakaju ka por uje is to the left of uje udan ru ha left of you shumut ka long gumni E dash A J B te hakaju ka por yong gumno ni J is to the nearest neighbor of A and B. An hakaju ka por da ong the don ni contain an ngong epi nga thau you to first person. An hakaju ka por is to the left of G and is to the left of G and is to the left shall left jong G at third place. Kyong gum no and to the left of G at third place. Kemudian ni di first place, ni di second place, ni di third place. Kemudian J dan ru haga juga por shaka left jong u G at third place. Haga juga por J ru dan shaka left jong u G. Hang ni 1 2 3 at third place tong ni first place, second place, third place. Tambah empat tip hang ni mano ba shong. Ta ken kanir ga diagram ga de ju ga ni de ga ju tambah ngaya atli na mar bum yem shu ban thong ni. Ta ken ki ya chkhmat kong gumno H is nearest to D to the left. H is nearest uni H wangum no ni H is nearest to D. Where is D? H is nearest to D. Kamut hang ni bathali hang ni dap shong mano dap shong u H. H is nearest to D to the left. An haga juga por third place to the right of I. An haga juga poru third place uni H udi third place hakara jong u I. Third, second, first, kamut u I un shong hang ni. So haga juga poru H ru ude gumna haga juga poru gumna ni H is nearest to D to the left and at the third place to the right of I and third place to the right of I. Kemudian la bakla hang ni pi kum tai ke jing bakla kam dei habong to the right of I. Kemudian ba to the right of I, kemudian I de gum ni first person, second person hang ni de ban long u H ka de ban long kum ta. Ta ka daw kemudian kami hakini ka sitting arrangement pi de ban nang ban tho e ki data the depth ta sa panyasno e ki kani ka data ka ba ni yo. Kemudian la do H udan hang ni Y udan hang ni kemudian hang ni te kum bangi E de C hang ni pat ngim tip ba de we hang ni de Y tom lele. The depth nata dengan ya chkhmat kong gumno H is nearest to D to the left and at the third place to the right of I. Condition kala lot nyimla shu ban le gumno no ru kebadan kam nginyo kidon kan no ngot ngido kidon kan no ngot. Pe ne la nga tho ta ko we kani banga ka lek nga tho hang ni E dash A J B ta to the depth nata hang ni de CH hang ni don ko no CHDF CHDF ni stang no no C CHDF ta kamud hang ni like space way hang ni de UI the depth nata kum ba ki mention question ki ong kan no 11 student so we count kan no ngot ki dan am kata ngot pe 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 ngila yo 11 ko mut la biang ngila so thu shai manu ba shong ni A B I hang ni ngim patip manu ba shong de CHDF hang ni ngim patip manu ba shong kumno kam don condition ju mosh khaman H is nearest to D to the left and at the third place to the right of I. La da ngim so tho ngin ya biang ngin pule biang na do bastang ka bet nam bet ngin pule biang e condition na mar teng ka pun confuse ru pi biang hi bang confuse ni kana ba pin like confuse ngin pule biang na do bastang ko ngum no D who is just to left of F D who is just to left of F is to right of C. D is left is to right of C at second place. To biang to dan nata A is second to the right of E. A is second to the right of E who is at one end. To amrele to rubiang. Dan nata kong J is to the nearest neighbor of A and B. J uday nearest neighbor of A and B. To biang. An is to the left of G at third place and is to the left of G pe G klem tho and is to the left of G at third place and is to the left of G at third place te gani gani first second third kamut hang ni de u G ini am bengi bakla kumto the dem nanta ni pe stang way bom yo jaka shong ni pe ke nang ni A B C D H I J K mano bom pat yo shong la dingi pe A la yo B C D E F G H I J kemud sau ki bumpat yo jaka shong kemud menta kilayo jaka shong lot baro la biang takin ko question ko ong kumni who sit exactly in the middle takin ladingi count kidon khatway tali kemud nang ni sun 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 kemud I the correct answer. I is the one who sit exactly in the middle. P dang stang ko confused ba kini ke jajing kili tambam lele ngani thu p jai in so thu in la imo ta ken nya next question hashwa ba ngan P muntan ike ka bangile what we have did is to the same direction ngin sale different direction, some of them facing north, some of them facing south. The shwa ka tangan ya shwa ka circle. This is a row or column. Kani ka day ka row lani ka column kumju hi matangin ya next shwa de kani ka circle dala dep ka circle ngin ya biang sa katuka question both of them some of them facing north, some of them facing south. Takin kani ka question number 4 konguno K L M N O P Q are sitting in a circle facing at the center and facing card. Kidon kini kibrio kan ingot KMLNOPQ kibashong in a circle and a circle facing to the center and playing cards. So what we have to do in this case, always remember whenever we find this circle question, we will always have to write like this. See, write like this. Four of how many of them? 1 2 3 4 5 K L M N O P Q 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 4 we already got. Then let's say 4 5 6 and then one more here 7 of them are there. They are facing to the center, all of them facing to the center, all of them facing to the center. Ini ka diagram galong gumni wanam draw gani ka circle balong gumni namar pin se confuse bal de pidro ka circle ta ka da draw bet gumni di ya ro gumni bapin sokban solve takin ka condition ko gumno O is neighbor of K and N. O is neighbor of K and N. O udai ubaya jan badwe badu K badu N. Tamba wanam ju sedang dekani la de pistang dekani ka condition pin se confuse ba. Takada always start with the I will show you the next one. Q is not between P and M. Q unam dan hapadeng jong u P bad u M. Q is not between P and M. Remember that Q is not between P and M. Q is not between P and M. There. Q is not between P and M. Takin one empat sedang dekataru namar pin so confuse. Hang ni kaya tumno hang ni kyong. P is to the intermediate right of K. Sedang na kita kijat kintin kibong A second left to B, B second left to A lene kumhang ne P kito kumno. P is to the intermediate right of K. Ni sedang na ta. P is the intermediate right of K. Mano badai intermediate right of K? Mano badai intermediate right of K? Udayu P. Kumangong P always set the second person. In this case, P is to the intermediate right of K. K the second person. Takin ni pensyong no UK hang ni. UK hang ni. P is to the intermediate right of K. Ni pensyong ni K. Tanggaway bang kwa banong lada. If all of them facing to the center, lada baro ki face ke center kemun ngin sedang shwa nang ni. Lada baro na pading jong kipat facing away from the center ngin sedang nang ni. Pistune. If all of them facing to the center, we start from here. If all of them facing away from the center, kemun away from the center kemun ngin sedang nang ni. Takin hang ni ka ongkum no. K, P is to the intermediate right of K. Who is to the intermediate right of K is P. Who is to the intermediate right of K? Pet ka direction jong K kadai not, tekamot ka right jong K kadai ka P. Kadai ka P. Ngam ko aban ya citat wud ngan ya cuki kenang jai kenang bapin sotu ba. Takin ladingi ya next part kong kum noh ni. L pet ngila yo UK kemut ngila sotu syai ba kani ka condition ru yong bau wo chong hapadeng jong K badu en ru ngila yo page namar ki don ni kemun ngi sutu shai o don ni tu en la ding bu ni tem dan jaka hare unum de hira padeng jong u ta ga o de ni en de u hang ni kemut bo o don padeng jong u ke bat u n u don padeng jong u ke bat u n page don gani condition ru ong u p bat u q kim don jingya janre la ne u m bat u q kim don jingya janre ka don kata condition ru da dem na ta ngia kyong l is second to the left of q u l u don second to the left of q shmut ni q u l u don second hang ni de fast hang ni de u l second ngim ti pat hang no ngin pensyong u l de second to the left of q ta gen la danga pensyong yu u q hang ni hajrong du te ka direction ka de shang ni la danga pensyong yu q na jrong ka direction ka de kum ni shani kemut ka left ka de kani ka left ka de kani ta ken ong gum no q l is second to the left of q kemut ni sotu ba u l u shong hang ni namar ni de fast ni de second kong gum no l is second to the left of q l is second to the left of q pi la danga pensyong du q hang ni ka direction ka de shani kum ni temut ka left ru kan de na shini sepo na shini la tengah pensyong q shini ka left kan de shini kemut hang ni la don ba syong sudah kemut ul myo jaka syong re la ni la tengah bu q nang ni ka ong shika left kam ong re shika mon te kumno ngan mla ban pensyong ta gadau ka option ka bangadon ka de ngan pensyong q hang ni kemut la tengah pensyong q hang ni ka direction ku jong u ka de chate ka left jong u ka de ka ni ka left jong q ta ken q first person second person l te kumbangi i baro kila yo jaka syong lot stang way bumpat yo utaw de uni hang ni ta ken ni pet ken kat kum kat condition hang ni don kan ngot ki don k l m n o p q k l t u m bum yo syong ta ken ni pet nyong ba ngila yo gini ngila adap solve gini ni page ke jing kali ko ong kumno kong which of the following does not have the pair of person sitting adjacent to each other sitting adjacent komut by shong jan ki e kita gi pair ko option ki ai hang ni kumno ki l k m l n o but q n south ligi option adjacent komut by shong marjan tele dingi page hatu u l bat u k gi shong jan m dera kumot ki ong u l bat u k khame shong jan tom le le dingi page m bat u l shong jan n bat u n bat u ru shong jan q bat u n ru shong jan bum ye shong jan de tang u k bat u l kumot ka correct answer ka de k l correct answer ka de k l ta ken ngin ya chikmat shu man no ngani ru hi ban yo ba man le namar matangin ya biang gani question ba ngatho number 3 namar hangni gi ong page s t u v do u z are sitting in straight line some of them facing south while some of them facing north kamut in this case lada ka question ka de some of them facing south and some of them facing north we have to go to two cases we have to go with two cases namar tango we cases kanam la long we have to go with two cases so in this case what does it says where is the question some of them facing north some facing south tam lele dem na gi ong you said at one as I've said we have to go two case kani ka de case 1 kani ka de case 2 ta ken kidon kanungot kidon we alai sau san riu nyo prangot ta kamot we alai sau san riu nyo we alai sau san riu nyo prangot kidon prangot kidon ta ken kini ka case 1 kini ka case 2 balai bangi habyat artli ki case na mangin kulmara ta hadin dangim ayu tip ka clear ne ngin kulmara ta din da mayu pan da phi tang go we ka case am dup kulmara ta ga daw nga yat khnang artali ka case what does it says kongum no ne you sit at one of the extreme ends of the line you shong haka hakandong du ta ka bon lada ngabu uyu nang ni ha ka case 1 ngabu uyu na ka left do ka case 2 ngabu uyu na ka right do na mar ngimtip ta ka direction ngimpat tip ka direction ngimpat bana shong sa common shong sa liang common liang ka diang ta ka daw ngihab ya artli ka case ngong ngi pi hang ni uyu hang ni shumut uni ngan ai ka direction ba de shapo uni way pat ngahab ai direction ba de jirong na mar ngimtip ta ka direction yo ki ka de shino kala bande shapo kala bande jirong ta ka daw ngahab ya artli ka case way pa jirong way pa shapo ma way pa jirong way pa shapo ta kain hang ni ka ongum no hang ni second ka ongum no s sit third to the left of you lading shim da ni ka direction third to the left of you s sit third to the left of you lading shim da ni ka direction bade sa saw ka direction ka de gum ni third to the left kamot ka ni ka de ka left s sit third to the left this is first second third kamot s de hang ni nang ni ru lading pe ka direction bade sa not kamot ka left ka de kan ni kamot third kamot 1 2 3 where should they hang ni ngimpat tepat where through direction dabde she dabde chapo and dab jrong na start to the left of you to kamot ban so thu shu tong in chu mudur no ba uning in ai no chapo ka direction uning in ai no sha jrong ka direction kata ung chu mudur dem na ta ka ongum no dem na ta ka ongum no we is not immediate neighbor of you. We umdere u neighbor of you. Tam lele we umyajan about you. The demnata yongum no we is not neighbor of you. Where is the question, man? We is not done. Why sit third to the right of us? Why you sit third? Why you sit chumunu as? Why sit third to the right of us? Chumunu as why sit third? First, second, third. Teladanga ai gini ka direction. Ladanga ai gini ka direction. Sejrong. Kamun longum na. Ladanga ai direction jong sejrong. Ki ong sit third to the right. Kamun hang ne first, second, third. You la don lapa. You la don lapa ngim la arman le mar you la don lapa third. Ta ka daw ngin chumudur no ka direction ka de kumni. Shapo kamut. Dala de shapo kumni ka direction kumni shate kamut kanela de no garaj kamut ba first second third wide dan hang ni pistu ne first second third ta nang ni ru ka ju hi lada ngi ai direction chani la don yum long re kamut ngi ha wide direction sha jrong ban long ka raj chani first second third kamut wide dan hang ni ta kain dem na ta ki ongum no hang ni Y sit third right of T sit on immediate right of Y. T sit on immediate right of Y. La bande chani ne la bande chani ne. T sit on the immediate right of Y. La danga ai ka direction jong Y chani kamut immediate right T dip shong hani. La danga ai ka direction chan ni immediate right of Y ka de T kim shong hang ni. Ta kain. Y sit third to the right of S, T sit immediate right of Y, Z facing north. Kan mau bai kata ka option ki ongum no Z facing north. Kata ka de condition ngin thol pa. Ta ka indem na ta ongum no T does not sit at one of the extreme end. Pai uti shong re ha. Uti shong re hatudu do. Uti shong halas do. T does not sit at the extreme end. So what we have to do, we have to put the direction of Y like this. Ni habu direction jong Y chani kanang bu ting in yo no hang ni habu ka direction jong Y shejrong kanang bu ting in yo no hang ni namar kila ong do ti klem shong cha yu klem shong cha khadu do T sit on immediate right of Y ladang ai direction gani ka Y de ni o ka right direction ka de no ka de chani kumut ti shong ni to la biang to pilas to dem na ta ki ong T does not sit as extreme end of line. Only 1% sit between X and V. Tang uwe ubriu basyong hapadeng jong u X but uwi. Only 1% sit between X and V. Pe hang ni ka jaka balaj tang gani. Bakan ni. Hang ni jaka balaj kani. ta kamot ngila su thu shai haba ongum ta tang we ubrio ba shong padeng jong x but we ngila su thu shai u x ula ban shong ni we ula ban shong hang ni namar tang we ubrio ba shong padeng us u de ba shong padeng lani kala ru ban de we nang ni u x nang ni hang ni ru ka ju la ban de u x nang ni lani we lani hang ni ru la ban de u x lani u we tang bang impat tim ru impat tipat penye ka condition kong only 1% sit between x and v only 1% sit between x and v kamut ka space ka balaj manta ka di tanggan ni bat ka ni tang bangim tip v de hang ni ne x de hang ni impat tip kata nginya khamat kong gumno y sit second to the left of x y sit second to the left of x y la don lapa hang ni kamut dong left kamut ngi hab direction chani y sit second to the left of x kamut hang ni de x hang ni de u v hang ni de v hang ni de x hagani ka ju ko poru hang ni de u x kamut hang ni de u v hang ni de v ta ken Dayaj khamat kong gumno w sit second to the right of t w sit second to the right of t tela danga ai gumni ga right of t ga de shani kamu w dup shong hang ni lani la danga ai ga direction t to the right of t kamu w shong hang ni term lele nyaj khamat kong gumno nginong gumno both the immediate neighbor of y face the same direction ki ba shong hajan y face the same direction ba shong hajan y de ni but uni kamut la do uni upai chapo uni de ban pai chapo la do uni upai jrong uni de ban pai jrong namar ki ong immediate neighbor of y face to the same direction. Let's go with the next. Both the immediate neighbor of s face opposite direction. Neighbor jong s but face opposite direction. Where is s? This is s. Tela da uni direction jong x de jrong kamut direction jong u v hang ne direction jong v hang ne de sha po direction jong v desha po de y ma hang ni em de mano ba shong hang ni ja hang ni rungim padyo nang shong hang ni rungim padyo nang shong tam le ngi pej kat kum condition s t u v w x y z s t u v w x y z kumut u z bum padyo jaka shong u z bum padyo jaka shong u z bompat yo jaka shong hang ni de x ma z de bom pat yo jaka shong ta ken kong gum no hang ni both the immediate neighbor of s face opposite direction both the opposite pe hang ni z long gum no hang ni z ka de condition ni z face se jarong z face na face ya jarang ta gain la ong hang ni u by shong hajan but west face opposite direction. This is s lada to ka biang la the way pai chapo way pai jarang opposite biang hang ni pan west de ni te la da u we but x kum nom ta ngim pat yo hang ni we pai chno x pai chno e ka ta ngim pat tip empatip we pagino x pagino ni la de basu kani ba kulmar tampi mangiya atli ki kes ngong phi la do wing a sijrong komut wing a sha po la do wing a sijrong wing a sha po we hang ne a sha po komut hang ne a sijrong pisto ta kain halas du ngum no x does not face south direction la dingi pet ngum no ka x does not face direction la di page x hang ne u face no u face ya south direction komut kani ka diagram kadi ka babakla kani pan u x face ya not komut ka long ka ba dei ta kai nang ne kin kali phi ki jing kali bu bun ja kan no tali ki ba face ya not kan no tali ki ba face ya south khila ban kali ta how many person facing north and how many person facing south la ni gila banong who sit next to s and who sit next to s to the right of s lani to the left of s kila ban kali kat ba ki mon ma tang ba ka main important ka to ka long ba how to solve this the correct answer kadi kani lading page hang ni ba facing south 1 2 3 4 sound would be facing south facing north but 1 2 3 4 facing south kidi 4 facing north kidi 4 ngong phi kani ka pat solve fam ban solve kini ki jigli teng teng ki confuse ba kulma ta ka daw ngi de ban ya step by step riwa modong kumno page biang ini video session arsen nadian khang ba pinyo show kini question number 5 kongum no hangni question number 5 kongum no hangni 8% JK L M N O and P are sitting around a circular table but not necessarily in the same order. They are sitting in a circular but not necessarily in the same order. Not necessarily in the same order. 3 of them are facing outwards. 3 of them facing outward while 5 of them facing inward. 5 of them facing inward. San ngut ki bapet sha pdeng, lai ngut ki bapet sha bar. Lai ngut ki bapet sha bar, san ngut ki bapet sha pdeng. Ngawang e phi la da don ke jingkili kumni some of them facing north or mudong some of them face what do I mean? Like if all of them are not in the same direction, some of them facing the other way, some of them facing the other way, means like we have to go with 2 cases. 2 cases. One case, first case and second case. So in this case, how many percent are there? 8%. So we have to draw 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8% are there. 2%, 4%, 6%, 8%. 8% are there. 8% are there. Some of them facing north, some of them facing to the center, some of them facing away from the center. So we have to go with 2 cases. We have 2 cases. So case 3 of them are facing outward while 5 M is third to the right of K. M is third to the right of K. What is M is third to the right of K? M is third to the right of K. M is third to the right of K. In this case, we have to take two cases and habangi solve through kaway ka first case ngi pensyong na po, second case ngi pensyong na jerong. Kanang ba ngin sutu. So suppose this guy face to the center and this guy face away from the center. We go with 2 cases. If one facing to the center, the other one should face away from the center. So in this case, K is facing to the center, and in this case, K is facing away from the center. M is third to the right of K. If this guy face to the center, to the third to the right, kadesha ni. Kamod hang ni di first, second, third ni di M. Hang ni ru lada nang ni kadesha. Kani ka direction not come to the right 1 2 3 em set hang ni always set the second person. In this case kongkum no hang ni M is third to the right of K. M is the first person, K is the second person. Ni pen chong chwa UK, ni pen chong chwa UK kanang ban suk. Then N is sitting third to the left of M. N is sitting third to the left of M. Ladanga ai ka direction Jong M facing away from the center, hang ni pat facing in the center. What is different? Kyong no hang ni N is sitting third to the left of M. To the left of M kan dega 1 2 umlong. Third to the left of M. Third to the left of M. When shong third to the left of M. Lada ka direction ka dega ni shani. Kamut ka left ka dega ni 1 2 3 mlong re na maruki la don la pahang ni tagadao ni I facing to the center takamod 1 the la face the center ka direction kan dei no shani ka left ka de gani kamod 1 2 3 kamod wen shong hang ni ta hang ni ru la dangiya de gani ka direction kam la long namar 1 2 3 bri la don briol pahang ni tagadao ni I kum to ka direction ka dei sto ka left ka direction ka dei to ka left ka dei shani kamod 1 2 3 kamod wen shong hang ni ta ken judge khamat ong shugum no N is sitting third. 3% are sitting between N and G. Don lai ngut ki ba shong hapadeng UN but UJ. don lai ngut ki besong padeng un bat u g don lai ngut besong padeng un smut new n ngalaman bu g hang ni namar ki ong lai ngut te pe la ding ya nya por we ar lai ngut te pe nang ni we ar lai ngut hang ni le pe nang ni we ar lai ngut te kemut g hang ni te pe nang ni we ar lai kemut ki ong te padeng jong n but g in between of n and g there are 3%. 1 2 3 or if you go this side 1 2 3 ma takin yaj khamat ongum no ni o is sitting third to the right of n. O is sitting third to the right of n. La dengan ai ka direction inward third to the right kemut la ka direction ka direction ni ka right ka ka ni kemut first second third o chong hang ni te hang ni ru ngan ai ka direction to the right kemut outward kanang ba kan right kan dei kan ni 1 2 3 kemut o chong hang ni le ni ka la ban nong kum ni tom le le ye ka ba ngin sapet kalong ni am le ni uni ngala tom le le tingin ya chkamat nginong kum no o is sitting third to the right of n who is not facing the center. O is sitting third to the right of n. To the right of n who is not facing dong who kamut ka thau yu toi kamut ka thau yu n kong gum no who is not facing the center la dingi pe yu ni du facing the center kamut ni la bakla la dingi pe ke ni pat facing away from center ke ni ke de ka ba correct diagram ngia chakman L is sitting third to the right of I. L is sitting third to the right of I. 1 2 3 la danga bu L hang ni ngai ke ni ka direction 1 2 3 L is sitting third to the right of I. L sitting third to the right of I. Kabiang name L sitting third to the right of I who is not facing the center. Hagaju ko poru u I u de u bum u manu who is u I u de bum face the sugar center kamud face away from the center la the face away from the center kamud ba karat ke de gani question gong gum no L is sitting third to the right karat ke de gani third to the right first second third kamud hang ni de u L hang ni de u ai de u L to so way bum yo jaka shong hang ni de mano gum to de gum no H R I J K L M N O P ta kan ka jingkali na du bastang e gong gum no 5 of them facing to the center 3 of them facing away the center ngin pet kanu mano facing away the center 1 2 but 3 kemudian the rest facing to the center P kani kadeka correct answer hangni ru nga khlem tho ga jingkali re ke jingkali kala banong ye P who said third to the right of I lene who sit third to the left of I lene who is opposite to P kum hagani ka por opposite but P de way de o who is opposite to N opposite to N de u J but kum ter kapron kam de ban solve li ka diagram the rest la if they ask anything kamot phila ban chuba te tangum ta ki video la da phim so thu comment chu in le shu ki video khnang ba phin so thu bah mong in le shu te kham tam mi gitu ki ba ye ki bala sio long ki tu te ngan le special ba ji bon tel long dei tang ni ki video dei dang bon ki video ha be de bat kini ki topics tang bon ki video ban sol ban stu shu te gitu bom pat sio to phin yo thang kat kini ki video te tang tai khubli shi bon ngin sa ye kan do pat ha ko ka video